So, Aguas Calientes. Now I just need to find my hostel, which I haven't booked. Right, so time to explore Aguas Calientes. All full day for me today, and yeah, hiking Machu Picchu tomorrow. So today, I don't know, it's like a small place, not really way like a lot to see, you know, but still it's a really nice place. I did some walk around yesterday when I arrived in the evening, and I must say I really liked it. It's really cool. There's like thermals, waters that I'm planning to do later on today, and yeah, so just actually now it's quite dead, like probably everybody's in Machu Picchu, that's why, but the evening is buzzing. Yeah, so just one thing though, it is a bit expensive, you know, like, but what can you do? What can you do, right? I must say that this is a very small place, but it looks actually really cool. Like, well, you can see that it's very touristic. Like, oh, as long as there's anybody else who come, only reason to come here is Machu Picchu. And there's really only two ways to get here: either hike or train. So yeah, but I do like it. It is pretty cool. Just look at the view, the mountains, it's just wow. So village in the middle of nowhere, in the jungle, the mountains, beautiful. Keep like looking around and just feel like wow about the beauty of this place. Just so awesome. gonna have to reach the other side of the town. Now I have to find a way which takes up to Machu Picchu. So that tomorrow in the morning, when I start my hike, I would know where to go. And up there is a train, the train station, and the train which takes you out to Cusco, the expensive one. I think these are the cheapest ones of them all, but well, who knows actually. Yeah, yesterday I saw quite a few people taking them, so obviously they do have clients, but still I can't imagine why you would pay like $140 or something when you can have an amazing hike with an amazing views. Well, some of them are closed now, but yesterday in the evening they all were open. Well, I guess, as I said before, probably because people are in Machu Picchu, so not the best hours of business. Check out this dog. It's strange. So this is the way to Machu Picchu. Just woo, like that. And somewhere there on the top, I don't know where, somewhere is the famous lost city.